bloke, Des, he wrote to the Daily Star, he says, I'm annoyed that David Attenborough keeps telling us we're responsible for global warming when he and the rest of the animal botherers have spent decades with large camera crews flying, sailing and driving around the world. Hypocrite. Yes, in fact, it is David Attenborough's fault.
Yeah.
Global warming.
I think it is. Yeah, we've got to lay the blame. Oh, goodness me. Feel free to move away from the microphone.
How do you look at life? How do you look at David Attenborough?
That was fantastic.
No, seriously, how do you look at David Attenborough and think that he's responsible, that somehow he's a hypocrite? It's amazing, isn't it? It's absolutely staggering. Here's another genius text.
Go on then. And still to come this afternoon, James Richardson will be joining us. World's Strongest Man is back, as it is every Christmas, and James, of course, is the face of that, as he has been for a few years now. So we'll talk about European football and chat about that as well. But we'll get the news and sports headlines at 3:30 now.
If anybody wants to know more about the Giants Live series of qualifiers and then the event itself, there's a podcast we've done. If you look on podcast places for World's Strongest Man podcast, there's loads of info there, and a bit of Eddie as well.
And talking of co-presenting, we were speaking to Paul Ince on the show yesterday and reminiscing. Excuse me. Oh, that's it. It's gone now. It's a disaster.
He's having a bad time. I'm going to thump him on the back in a minute. Yeah, I shall continue this. Andy was saying to. And he was saying to Paul Ince, he'd forgotten till he saw the documentary.
Another way Bill leaves my mic up, isn't it? You're taking it down. No, it's fine. You make it louder, Bill.
Well, normally you lean into the microphone, to be fair. It doesn't matter if you turn it on or not. But, yeah.